So, your year in residences has come to an end and it's time to start moving out. But there's so much to do. Where do you start? Don't worry. Follow these simple tips to make the process a lot easier. Unless you want to be stuck cleaning everything, make sure you speak to your flatmates ahead of time. Find out when they're moving out so you can organise a group clean of communal areas. This ensures that all the work is fairly spread out between you and a thorough job will be done. If your flat has any damage, be sure to inform the resident staff. This is really important because if you don't report the problem to be fixed, you may be invoiced with a charge to repair the damage. Make sure to take all your belongings with you, not only from your bedroom, but the communal areas as well. Once everything's moved out, it will make the cleaning a lot easier. Don't forget to shut your windows and lock your bedroom doors so no one else can enter once you've left. Make sure you've moved out before 10 AM on the last day of your contract. It's best not to leave this last minute as everyone will be rushing to do the same thing. And don't forget to return your keys. So don't make things stressful. Plan ahead to make sure that moving out is easy for you and the accommodation team.